Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can open demo account in Trade Tiger. So let's go and do that. As you can see, first thing you need to open your app, and then as you can see right here at the home page and the customize tab, you will see here deposit in advance or demo account, and then you can hit demo account. So if you don't see that, you can go here at the bottom right corner and click profile, and right here scroll down a little bit and you will see in this menu here demo account. So click on that and you will see here then options to create demo account. So click on that, and after you click that you will have an demo account. So as you can see right now at the top left corner, we are now in demo account, and this is it. This is basically how you can create yourself demo account in trade brokers. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.